Imagine, what if I told you that right now, millions of photons are hitting your roof, and each one of them has the power to generate electricity? Forget complicated diagrams and boring lectures. Today, we're going to uncover the real scientific secret of sunlight. We'll take a step-by-step journey to understand how a simple ray of light awakens electrons when it hits a photovoltaic cell. These same electrons then combine to create the electricity that can power your home, your gadgets, and even your car. And yes, this is not just about clean energy. This is an atomic-level transformation, a scientific shift that has the power to change our entire energy system. Why is this so critical today? Because fossil fuels are not only raising the planet's temperature, but also putting our future at risk. In times like these, solar power is no longer a luxury. It has become the greatest necessity for human survival and the protection of our planet. Welcome to NIS JKT. Today, we will explore: how do solar panels actually work? The science of green energy. Part 1. The atomic secret from light to power. This is where the magic begins. It all starts with a tiny fundamental particle called a photon. Think of it as a small energy bullet released by the sun. When these photons reach a solar panel, they are looking for one specific thing: an electron to interact with. This is where the special material of a solar cell, silicon, comes into play. Silicon is perfect for this atomic process because its atoms are tightly bound. However, the energy from the sun's rays is strong enough to activate some of the electrons. This small interaction is the first and most crucial step in transforming simple light into measurable electric energy. Part 2. The electron's journey, generating electricity. So, what happens after a photon detaches an electron? It seems like everything would go haywire, right? Not at all. It's all controlled by the smart design of the solar cell. The cell has two distinct layers of silicon that are treated with different elements. This creates a special, invisible barrier called the PN junction. This junction acts like a one-way street for electrons. When an electron is freed, the junction only allows it to move in one direction. This creates a continuous flow of electrons. This controlled movement is the real process of generating electricity, the moment when light turns into usable power. Part 3. From panel to power. The complete system. Story. A single solar cell generates a tiny amount of electricity. So how can it light up your whole house? By connecting many cells together to create large panels. These panels are then connected to create an entire solar system. But there is another hero in this story: the inverter. The electricity that comes from your panels is direct current, DC, which your home appliances can't use directly. The inverter's job is to convert this DC into alternating current, AC, which powers your TV, refrigerator, and everything else. This is the final, seamless link that brings solar energy into our daily lives. Conclusion: the future is bright. Beyond the basics, solar technology is not static. Scientists are constantly introducing new ideas and advancements, like perovskite solar cells, which are highly efficient, and transparent solar windows, which can turn skyscrapers into vertical power plants. Understanding how a simple ray of light can power our modern world gives us a chance to look toward a bright and clean future. This journey is truly fascinating, and it has only just begun. With every new innovation, we are getting closer to more efficient, sustainable, and accessible energy. Solar technology is not just a way to generate electricity. It has the power to change both our lives and the environment. As we understand it more, our world and our methods will both become smarter, cleaner, and brighter. That's all for now, but the journey of education never ends. Be sure to subscribe to NIS JKT Discovery and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson. We appreciate you watching.